So the premise of the channel was buy the cheapest car you could and shove something into it. Something being your run-of-the-mill 5.3. 7875, some Deka 80s, no cam, untouched rings, the basics. I wanted to put the car together as a how cheaply can you do this, how fast can you do this sort of video. Well, that was 2 months ago and the car's already built and done. So now we're gonna find out how cheap can you build anything and does it work when it's done? Holy! Now that I'm back from testing the Mustang, how little you have to have some fun here. You don't need a giant shop. You don't need all the tools. You probably need to be a little more organized. Just a small little MIG, an underpowered TIG, an eBay plasma cutter somewhere hiding down there. More projects. Still getting used to this whole film before you start cutting thing, and being terribly nervous on camera does not help whatsoever. But we have the 6B sitting in where it wants. Oop. With no grill. It's a little funny, but the tire is right. We got a nice chassis height for the running boards still. Nothing sitting on anything. Gas tank and everything. Still need to scrap this cab, of course. Now, to keep cutting, to fit that into there somehow. Here we go. But we'll continue to have fun. We'll build cheap LS stuff. We got 2 or 3 more in the backyard, and we got a 6BT to finish. So with that, I'm gonna let you guys go, and I'll see you around for the next one.